Are you a stamper? Do you have some black or dark brown vintage looking ink and some cool stamps? Well, in this short, quick video, I want to show you how you can make your own vintage ephemera so simply. Yes, I make digital kits, but I do like to sit and make fun things. So I ordered some new stamp sets from Temu, and they just came in yesterday. And I'm playing, and I decided, well, turn the video on and show them how you're doing this, Diane. So let me show you the 4 stamp sets that I got. Now, again, I order from Temu.com. I don't use the app. And I got this set of stamps. I got the birds with wording behind or music. Yes. I got another small set of tickets that I can stamp. And then I got another set of different, a little bit bigger tickets. Okay, so I got 4 sets. So what do you do when you buy these? Why did you buy these, Diane? Well, here's what you do. You kind of sit here and you do an assembly line. So I took the birds. I'll show you what I did first. I went into my stash of leftover scrappy paper, right? Just little pieces of paper. And I picked 5, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I picked 5 of the bird stamps, okay? And used scorched timber distress ink, and I just kind of did an assembly line. I put the first bird picture on here, stamped on here, flipped this over, put it on there, right? So do you see what happens when you pick different cool papers? So now when I cut these out, they're going to be gorgeous on beigey, so that would go in vintage stuff. Then I wanted something a little bit lighter, so I had this piece of scrappy paper left over. And then here's some more like toned down tones. And here's one of the pieces of paper that actually you can buy off of Temu in these big packs. And I just used the inside because I like how there's a lot of depth. So not only did I stamp, but I'm stamping on a background, which comes out really cool. Oh, I love this. Now this is a piece of my digital paper. So here's another way you can use digital paper that's left over. This must be my pink kit, and I stamped them on there. Look how gorgeous those are going to be. And then I have this blue-green one. Okay, so I got really excited with that, and then I decided, okay, now I'm going to do, and I'm showing you how I just do this assembly line. I went and picked, what, 7 or 8 more pieces of paper. This is all really old scrapbook paper, okay, like super old. Probably 10 or 15 years old. And you're going to say, well, Diane, it's all 6 by 12. Well, it is, because I did this project years ago, and I cut all this extra paper because I was teaching. I cut 12 by 12s into 6 by 12s. And so I picked, look, I picked these designs, right? Like I said, this is old leftover paper. So now I'm just sitting here, and I take one stamp. So I just did the love. And I always turn mine over because the problem with the stamp pads is they end up getting uneven the more you use them. And so if you just do it like this, you're not going to be real happy because you're going to find out all the ink that was missed. Okay, so I've done that on the blue. I've done it on the orange. I did it on the pink. And that's when I said, wait, Diane, turn the camera on. Okay, so here's the next one. And I've got that one done. And now I'm going to put it, I have a little tiny piece right here. So isn't this a fun way, yes, to make your own set of ephemera and tickets and fun stuff like that? So if you haven't bought from Temu, maybe you already have some really cool stamps, the ticket stamps and birdie stamps and all that kind of stuff. Then go for it. Just sit here and do a mass make like that. You'll see, I'll cut these all up and you'll see them.